Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss with you where clause basic. What is where clause? Wherever it's required to use, and what are the operators we're going to using to implementing where clauses, and basic major logical operators which are involving to preparing where clause. Let's begin the session. Basic SQL statement using SQL like select is formed. You see in here, select customer ID, the column names which we can call it as first name, last name, from, table name. From indicates where we are getting the and reading the data rows from the table. Till now we have learned till now. Now, in addition to adding where clause to specifying a particular condition to filtering our data rows and fetching the data as our required filtered from the result set. Now see here how it would be. This is the basic syntax of formation of the select statement with the help of where clause. Alright, select column names or star, you can also indicate over here, and from which table you are getting to fetching the data. It may be single table or multiple tables. Where clause 2 specifying a condition. Okay, now see, the select statement is using to reading and retrieving data, specifying criteria from the help of the from and where clauses. It would be the formation like column 1 2 from table name or table 2, where the column 2 like a column number 2 value, like a column 1 value I am specifying to filtering, or column 2 value I am specifying to filtering as our wish to filter as our requirement of the data to implement the where clause with the help of any column. Based on any column you can use to filter the data. And where clause will return after the from. In the SQL statement, it's a basic funda you have to follow, where we are writing in a select statement of the column names, and from which table, after the table, like after the from clause only, you have to specify table name. Okay, now see the condition specified, the select statement like and or operators will use to implement. Whereas now see, the operators can be used to write like equal to, where value equal to the specified value what we are passing, like means where username equal to the username we are passing the name of the user, or else where he is using the username, or else the ID of the username which our database is going to using, or else there is an email ID as username most of the applications will using nowadays, where we can specify that where username equal to that particular mail ID with the equal operator we'll use for it. To have in a condition of the less than and greater than means the above salary or below salary, if we want to fetch the records, we'll use these operators. And greater than or equal to and less than or equal to also similar. Not equal to means which is not to match for that condition. Those records to be as in a result set, it should be given an output. In such a situation, we'll use this not equal to operator, and or logical operators. There is a where condition we are preparing, whereas more than one condition, and that more than one condition with the help of either both conditions if we want to satisfy, like column A and column B is there, the both columns to be given a boolean expression of true values to be satisfied, then only the where condition will be passed. The result should be output. Or else in such a situation, or logical operator, either condition we are specifying two conditions by passing two values, column value 1 and column value 2. Whereas any one of the offered condition, if it is satisfied, then the result should be output. For the purpose, we'll use for AND and OR logical operators while implementing the where clause conditions. I hope you enjoyed this session. On the next session, we will see in practical way how to apply where condition with the operators, where clause with the conditions with the help of operators of arithmetical operators and logical operators as well. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.